just have to download photos from this site here, then come over to this platform and upload them, and then collect thousands upon thousands of dollars in pure passive income. This requires no camera, and you don't need to be a professional photographer to be able to do this and make money. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the main platform we will be using today, guys, is this one here called alamy.com. This is basically a platform where you can find photos of just about anything. And if you want access to those photos, you will have to pay a small amount of money to Alamy. And before you even think of it, you won't have to pay this site to get the photos. This is a 100% free strategy. That, of course, begs the question, if we aren't here to buy the photos, then how can we use this to make money online? Well, you see, on Alamy, you can make money by uploading photos, basically. Whenever a set amount of people download a photo you uploaded, you will get paid. And I will show you a platform where you can obtain the photos so that you will not have to take them yourself. You don't have to be some professional photographer for this to work whatsoever. I will show you in this video how you can make money with this site even if you have never taken a photo in your life. Anyways, now that you know how we will use this to get paid, I want to show you just how much potential this has and why we want to use this site in particular to get paid for those photos. First off, on this platform called similarweb.com, you can check various stats on a particular website, including how many visits does it get per month. And Alamy, as you can see, got 18 million visits in the previous month, which is actually more than what it's been getting prior. This means, in turn, that you can make a lot of money with this site. The more popular it is, the more customers it will get, and thus the more money you will be able to make. The benefits don't stop there, however. Another huge benefit you have if you want to make money with Alamy is that when you upload a photo on here, that's basically it. Alamy will do the rest for you. They will promote and advertise your photos, they will deliver them to the people who made a purchase, and so on. This means that this works as passive income of sorts, because after uploading the photos, you will be making money from there doing nothing, basically. And since I will show you where to obtain them, you won't have to bother with taking them yourself, further reducing the work that you have to do to basically nothing. Furthermore, as you can see on this page, Alamy gets 50% of the revenue, so for promoting those photos for you, you will still earn 50%, which is actually quite a lot. And by the way, guys, to access this page I am on as we speak, a page where you will also sign up to Alamy so you can make money, you will want to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on Become a Contributor right over here. And it's on this very page where you can also take a look at all the other benefits Alamy offers its photographers. For starters, they pay out $1 million a month to their photographers, further proving that there's a lot of money to be made here even as a complete beginner. The next thing we can see is that you will get global exposure, and this is really important because that means more people will be able to see your photos. That, of course, translates into more income for you. And this also proves that this is a worldwide available platform as well. You can make money with this site no matter where you are coming from. With that being said, something I really like about Alamy is that, as is said right here, they give you detailed info on your customers so you will know exactly what sells best and what types of photos will make you the most money. The last thing I want to show you on this page is down here. Your photos will be available for sale within 24 hours. This is quite important for me to mention because this means you won't be waiting around to get paid. They will put your photos up for sale basically as soon as you upload them, and it also says here something I mentioned a couple of minutes ago. You can make money while you sleep. So, as I said prior, once you upload a few photos on here, you will be able to make money from there in passive income. Anyways, so you can start making money on Alamy, guys, you will want to click on Become a Contributor either right here or near the top of the page here. They will then ask you the most basic of your info, like your full name, email address, password, The standard type of info that you have to enter when you need to create an account that I won't go over as to not prolong this video. With that said though, before I show you the place where you can find those free photos, I want to show you a few bonus sites I have for you that you can use to also get paid for those photos, since after all, the more sites you have to upload photos to, the more money you will be able to make. The first bonus site I have for you is this one here called crestock.com. And since this site and the ones I will soon show you work in much the same fashion like Alamy, I won't go too much into depth with them. The next site I have for you is this one here called snapped4u.com, another great platform I'd highly recommend you to check out. And last but not least, a site most of you have heard of called shutterstock.com. And why it isn't our main platform instead of Alamy is because it has a lot of competition, as simple as that. On Alamy, you have many visitors, but not that many photographers. Meanwhile, on Shutterstock, you have many visitors, but also many photographers, which drastically limits the amount of money you can make. With that said though, I would recommend you guys sign up to all of these platforms, because as I said before, if you upload images on 4 different sites, you will be able to get far more people to download them, and that in turn leads to far more money made. And with all of that said and done, without further ado, let me show you a site where you can obtain those images. That site, guys, is called idplr.com. On this site, you can find a bunch of products to download for free. You have ebooks, software, video, audio, graphics, and templates. And you can immediately see on their homepage what's so special about this site and also why we want to use it. PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. So you can resell any of those aforementioned products and claim them as your own, which is just insane. And by the way, PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which means that you have a full license, as said before, to resell the products and make money off of them. You can claim they're yours, sell them wherever you want to, literally anything you want to do with them. And more importantly for us, they have photos on here that you can download as well, and for free too. To access the photos, just type in stock photos here in the search bar, and this will now show you all these photos that you can freely download and use. And arguably the best part about these guys is that they come in these packages that contain hundreds of photos each. So you won't have to bother downloading photos one by one. You can instead download hundreds of them all at once, and from there, upload them on all the previous sites I showed you. Once you do that, your work will be basically done, and from there, you will be able to collect a lot of money in purely passive income. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.